quick video here today. What I've got here is my green Honda Civic that had a slow leak in the left front tire. It's one I'm very hardly even noticeable. One day I noticed, hey, something's not right, 20 pounds. So I got the tire off today, and what I'm doing is I went over it real well, looking for anything obvious like a screw or a nail sticking out, and didn't see anything. And what I like to do in that situation, I've got an old bottle of glass cleaner, and what I've done is put dish soap, liquid dish soap, and some water in there. You go back and you spray the tire down real good with that. And what you're looking for is anything to bubble up. You do this, you want to check all around the bead, sidewalls. If you have a problem with the sidewall of the bead, this isn't going to be something that you want to do in your driveway. You can take it to a shop and let them look at that. And also on the other side, you want to do the valve stem, take the cap off, spray it real good, and you're looking for anything to bubble up. Well, right off the bat, nothing was very noticeable about this tire. Let it sit for a little bit, and I came back. See if I can find it now. Here we go. You see how it's bubbling really good right there? There is a pinhole that you can barely even see. They're right dead in the center of the camera. So, as you can see, my little trick with the water bottle caught that. Fortunately for me, it's pretty much in the middle of the tread, so what I'm going to do is go back with my plug tool, ream that out, put a plug in it, we'll check it afterwards. Alright, I marked the hole now, make sure I see it. And since that thing is so small, there's nothing that looks like I can dig out of it. How this the tool works is you press it through, and it's got like a file on either side, a round file, and it files it out to a certain size. But this is so small, what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use a small drill bit and drill that out. And here we go. Okay, of course I couldn't find my tool for reaming that out right, but what I ended up doing, I just got a slightly larger drill bit because this part here has to go all the way through and then back out. So that hole has to be big enough to accommodate that tool. So what I'm going to do first, this is rubber cement that comes with these kits, and you just get that down in there like that. Okay, after the rubber cement, the next step, they come with the actual plug. This is a sticky little piece of, I'm guessing it's like canvas and some other things, but it's going to go onto the tool. Get it about in the middle. Okay, so you have to, after you have the piece ready to go in the tool, the hook, see how that works right in the center. We're going to force this through the hole and then part way and then back out. Okay, voila. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this piece back off, make it down flat, we'll air the tire back up, check it for leaks. Alright, we're at 35 pounds now. I'm going to spray with my bottle like we talked about before. We're going to let that sit for just a second. And we'll look for those little tiny bubbles that start popping up. I'm pretty confident that repair is going to work. Yep, if that was going to be leaking, it'd be leaking. So let's get this mounted back on the vehicle. Alright, one last step I know a lot of people probably don't do. Honda's torque to low nuts torque to 80 foot-pounds. You want to make sure that your rotor stays in contact with the back of the tire like it's supposed to. This is what you do. avoid any warped rotors in the future. Go around one more time with the star pattern. And there's 80. Alright, I know that was a pretty basic video. Most of you guys probably already know that information, but that's for anybody who doesn't. That's how I do it. It seems to work well for me. If you like what you've been seeing, please be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be back with you soon. Thank you for watching.